Welcome, and thank you for joining us for today's tutorial about the E-zekiel ChMS Child Check-in system. This is a video tutorial showing you how to effectively use the E-zekiel ChMS Child Check-in features. Starting Child Check-in requires some initial work in the Settings area. Click on your Settings tab and find Child Check-in. Determine your options for how the child check-in system will function in your church by using the check-in mode area. You will see many options here, allowing you to customize your child check-in system. This settings area will let you determine if you will use RFID cards, enable new people to be created from the child check-in system, or how to manage your printable labels. You will also see options for printers associated with the wireless printing options. Once you have your settings personalized, select Save. Re-navigate to the Child Check-in area, and let's set up some child check-in stations. Each station will be associated with a different area of the church for checking folks in. Each station will also have their own station options. You can choose different unique badge codes or logos for each particular station. Once you have your options selected, click Save, and let's start some child check-in. To get started, navigate to your utilities and your child check-in area. Select child check-in, and now we have an option for either choosing a check-in station or launching in kiosk mode. First, let's choose a station. Select Next. And we can now enter a parent who is trying to check in their children into this area. Simply typing the name will auto-populate the autofill areas, and you can start checking children in. You can also add a new name or a new family by selecting the option before. As you can see, in the nursery, we can add the family just here. I'm searching for my last name. Now we can begin the check-in process. When a parent is selected, the family members will populate for your selection. You will be able to edit specific notes for the individual being checked in. These notes will remain in the system from week to week and will be printed on the child's name tag. Now select the box for the individual we are checking in. This will deliver a list of groups that the child can be checked into. Select the particular group you're checking your child into and select Go. You can now determine the number of labels to print for the child as well as a guardian. Submit, and the child has been checked in. Now that we have a child checked in, we can use the search and contact features available in the check-in system. Let's click on Search. The search feature allows you to find individuals that are currently checked into the child check-in system. So I can search by the child's last name, and I'll be greeted with information about the primary contact for this individual, the group they're checked into, as well as the time they were checked in. I can text the primary contact if there was an emergency situation simply by selecting SMS. This will go directly to their phone and is a great way to contact parents of children. The same holds true with the contact feature. The contact feature is for contacting entire groups and the parents thereof. So if I search for the nursery group, I'll see a current list of all the children checked into the nursery group, as well as an option to text all the parents. We can also check children in using a kiosk mode. Simply child check-in and launch in kiosk mode. Select your station as we did before, and continue with the child check-in process as we had previously by searching for family and going through the check-in options once again. Kiosks are useful for setting child check-in stations without an attendance taker. These can be laptops or iPads in a particular given area. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope this was useful, and please feel free to call or email with any questions.